In a fiercely competitive linear motor market, REPOSAL winding machines empower customers to enhance their competitiveness. Their winding process enables motors to stand out with superior performance, making them an industry leader. Whether for air-core coils or iron-core winding, it achieves a neat and seamless finish, even surpassing secondary shaping. High-precision winding not only ensures an aesthetic appearance, but also enhances motor performance. With a high degree of automation, it saves labor costs and improves production efficiency. The operation is user-friendly, allowing new operators to get up to speed quickly. The exquisite baking finish combines both texture and durability. REPOSAL winding machines excel in both performance and aesthetics, helping your products gain a competitive edge in the market. For inquiries, please contact REPOSAL. We look forward to your sharing, share pool, collaborate for mutual benefit.